Good morning. My name is Gyanraj Panthi. Today I'm going to present my project, which I did for this software engineering principle course. So, with the help of the lecture, I try to project uh, a software which is a web-based application, which I named as professional networking site. So basically, the proposed project is a web-based application and which is designed to address the need of the businesses and the individuals for opportunities and networking. So what happened is today in today's world, you see, a lot of opportunities, and the from the employer side, there are a lot of ample opportunities as well, where they are seeking to have a good skill and employees for their companies, whereas the employee is as well wanted to get in with the good employer where they can get a good growth opportunity with that business as well. So in that perspective, I try to accumulate all the things and try to design a software which can fill that market demand and help those stakeholders. So in this particular project, um, like the project proposed project solutions has a few things, which is the login page, and has a user dashboard as well, where you can edit the user profile, and there is a job listing where you can put your jobs, and there is certifications, and there is a freelancing part where you can put where the employee can show off their skills, and based on that skills also employer can select them for any job opportunities. The other part is the product scope. Yes, definitely, this is a pilot project, and this can be enlarged or enhanced in a bigger scale in the future. So what I can see is this software can be available in all geographical locations with the help of mobile applications, with the help of web-based applications, and there are others way of conducting the same software in all over the world. And definitely this software will be available for age group of 18 plus who are eligible to work and trying to get into a network. And also this app will could be available in Android and iOS app in the future. And the most important part is the AI based features in the future, which is most likely the today's market demands in the business world. Talking about this project, what happened is when we started this course, we had several assignments to do, where we had the software requirement specification, where we provide what sort of things we are going to include in the software and everything, and then the design aspect of that as well, we did it with the with the proper documentation. So in this course, I'm trying to present the overall project timeline, so which is from week which is like we have like 12 weeks of time to conduct all the software things. So first is the developing concept, requirement analysis, documentations, concept design, development, testing, implementation, and go live. So for this software we use the agile software development cycle, where we plan and design and then develop the product and test and then evaluate and meet. So this kind of things we try to include in this software development part. The other thing is how the software looks like, the overview of the software I have presented in this picture. So basically it has a user, which is like the business one, which we call the employer, and the individual, which is the job seeker, the employee. And then there would be one admin as well, who is maintaining a lot of other things in behalf of the stakeholders. And there is the internal entities where the administration, there the development team, and the database management team will also be working there. And the external entities would be job seeker, employers, trainers, industry experts. A lot of people can enroll within this software, and the module would be job posting, freelancing, and the certifications as of now. Talking about the system overflow, so how the system works. So I have tried to show on everything here in this flow chart. So there are three particular users, like the admin, business, individuals, and then they register, they log in with this system, and they get in. They try to post a job. Employee can apply for the job, and that's how the system works, and fulfill the requirement of the market. Now, let's go with the, how the system works and how it looks like. Definitely, as I'm not totally from a, programming, like a programmer, but yeah, definitely I tried to build something which is, feasible for this course and to demonstrate what the project looks like. So if I have made any mistakes, please consider on that. So first thing we do is we need to run the Apache, server, so localhost. So I start this one first, and then I go in a Visual Studio and server. So we'll get a link here for my localhost, server. So I click on this. So this is the professional networking side that I was talking about. So yes, there are a lot of things to be done in this website, but yes, eventually this is a pilot project, so where I can demonstrate few of the features here now. So first thing is we sign up. So here is the sign up where you can sign up as an individual and a business as well. So employee and employer. So let's sign up with the name of first. Let's sign up with the employer. So here we can do, um, like Gyan, Raz, and then gyan@gmail.com. Then you can enter a password. Here we enter a password as well, and then agree with the terms and conditions and sign up. So here is the dashboard of the employer where he can see his profile, he can publish a job, he can add a job, manage resumes, change password, and sign out. So let's add a job first. So I can add, like, just suppose I wanted to have a teacher for my business, and then which would be full time, and I can select the option of teaching, and then the negotiable, yes. The position is one, publish, yes. So I put the starting date of today and the ending date maybe like 31st, let's suppose, and then let's click pictures here. Um, Desktop, yes, and then let's picture of Torrens as of now, and then let me write a teacher position is required, and then teacher position is required. So I just update this one. So here the job, if you go in the job pod, so you can see the teacher job position is here. You can view the job like this, and you can anyone can see this job features, right? And then similarly, so there are other jobs which I did with my project previously, and there would be a freelancing job as well, like the freelance who is available now. We have one employee as a freelancer, and then the certifications as well. There you can see like a lot of soft skill training course, basic skill training course, presentation skill training course. This sort of certification course would be available as well. Now let's move to the employee side. So let me sign out this one. Now if you go and sign up for employee, let me part my name, Gyan Raz, and then let me put Gyan Raz @gmail.com, and then Sai123, Cyan. And I agree the terms and condition as well, sign up. And here I get my dashboard as well. So I can put my details like contact. So, and I can also add my, social media's links. I can provide my details here, work experience, educations, and everything. And so if I have to go, I can go in a job, and then I can view the job, and then I can, now here you can see I can save the job if I want the job to be, fulfilled later on, and I can apply for the job as well. So this is how the job, can be applied. I can go with the other jobs as well, like a professor. If I view this job, and I can save the job to be, fulfilled later on, or I can do now as well. So this is how, and if you go in the freelancing section, so now I've been added as a freelancer as well, where a lot of things can be edited in my profile, and I can, those will be displayed like this, like PHP, Larva, Journey, Swagger. I can be any professional with the any skill sets, and that will be displayed. And if any employer wanted to have any freelancing job, they can directly touch with me. Similarly, the certifications part is there. So yes, you can, read more, have a look on the course. You can see, okay, what sort of soft skill training is that, and then you can do the same for this part as well. So if you go in the employee part as well, now you can edit your profile here, and you can, like, put your designation as um, student, and you can put your date of birth, like, okay, my date of birth is, you know I can put 89, and then December 9. So I can put here address is 1/25 Dawes Road, and then 042. So this is my year. And so I can fill up like this, and then male, married, and skills like uh, soft skills, Excel, uh, business development, programmer. So I can update my details here like this, and then those details will be showing up here. If you go in the freelancer part as well, so those details will be coming up here with my address and everything that is I've written. So this is how the system works and looks like. Yes, definitely there are a lot of things to work on. But as it's a pilot project, yeah, with the time constant, and I being as a from a background of a non-programming, so it takes time, for me to learn and do the overall thing. So definitely I tried to fulfill everything that I tried with my project, and I would like to thank my professor who supported me throughout this course in terms of conducting this project so easily, and he tell us to be calm and do a project. So thank you so much for your support and everything. I hope I fulfill the overall requirement of this course. Thank you so much.